So I had some questions regarding the Rollercoin Season Pass and what exactly the difference is between the Premium Pass and the Complete Pass when you actually come to purchase the Season Pass for the season. So today on That Techo Guy, I am here to explain the differences of the Premium and the Complete Passes for you to understand it better. Stay tuned. Alright, so with every start of a new season come new passes and new rewards on Rollercoin, and today I'm going to be discussing the season passes of the season events every time we have a season, and even the season passes that are still going on right now for season 9. On my screen is my Rollercoin room. So I'm just going to jump into the store here and I'm going to go to the event pass section here where you can see rewards and event quests, and here you have where you can normally purchase the season pass. Okay, for example, I've already purchased the premium pass, okay, and the premium pass basically allows me to even get all rewards now if I want to at a discounted price as well, and also it allows me to buy a level, a particular level that I am on. So for example, at the moment I am on level 33, and if I don't want to have to go through the event quests and do all of these, then I can actually just buy that level, and normally that's going to cost 10 RLT. So it might be actually worth it when you get to, for example, I don't know, really good miners like the Osmond stamp in this case in season 9. This is a 369 terahash miner, so that will give you a good boost as well, and for 10 RLT I would think that is worth it. So if you get to points like this, for example, where you don't want to complete the event quests, or maybe there's not enough time in the season for you to be able to achieve that in a day, for example, and tomorrow the season is going to end, then you can easily just buy that level, and for 10 RLT that would be, for example, worth it in this case of the Osmond stamp, or for the Jafan, for example. Okay, so just make sure that the 10 RLT worth that you are spending will be actually worth it for what you're going to get. Okay, so don't do it, for example, for something that is more weak. Like, for example, if we go back here, there were a couple of miners that were not very powerful, like I think the 50 terahash ones. Okay, I wouldn't spend 10 RLT on that. You'd probably find it cheaper from the marketplace. So my suggestion to you would be, obviously, first check in the marketplace how much this would cost, and is it really worth buying the level. Again, to be able to have this option, you would have needed to purchase the premium pass. Okay, now the premium pass also gives you a couple of other benefits as well, like for example the auto recharge system. So if you have at least one battery, your electricity here will be auto recharged. Okay, so you can auto recharge, make sure it's set to activated, and I've got 25 batteries, so when the timer expires here, it's going to be automatically recharged. Okay, now the difference between the complete and the premium, so I've got the premium. Okay, so we just go back here. If you actually purchase the complete, it would be just like me pressing the get all rewards now button, and you would not need to go and play every single day to get the rewards. Okay, now the premium, however, does give you both the free items and the ones that don't have anything written on top of them. Like for example, at level 33 at the moment, I'm on the 150 RST season token, so in my case, since I've purchased the premium, I'm going to get that as well. Like I got, for example, the Kako Marty miner right here. It's got a tick here, as you can see, that I've already received it. So if I were just to remain with the free version, I wouldn't have received this, and I'd just received the ones that have the word free on top. So I'm going to get pretty much all the rewards if I manage to get to the very end of the season event, okay, which is up to level 60, and I'm currently on level 33, and at the time of recording this video there are 13 days remaining, so I'm a bit skeptical that I will get to the end, but I do actually receive more rewards this way, and to purchase the premium in the beginning of the season, it cost 99 RLT. I do believe that when time starts going by, the prices do start to decrease. So for example, at the moment, the season is coming to an end. So prices, even for the complete, should be cheaper as well. Now, for the complete, you don't actually have to go through these every single day and actually fulfill all the event quests every single day, because you're just going to complete it and receive all the season rewards all at once. Now, at the start of the season, for example, I remember that season 9 at the start, this typically cost around 700 or 800 RLT. It is quite expensive to purchase the entire season. But as time goes by, you'll realize that the price will actually start to go down. I don't have the option to obviously buy that at the moment. I just have get all rewards now, and it's giving me the offer to purchase them for 279 RLT and 95 cents, so 280 RLT pretty much. So I can do that if I wanted to and just purchase the rest of them, which is pretty much double of what I've already achieved, and they're going to have even more power, because the higher you go in the levels, then the more powerful the miners are going to be as well. So those are basically the differences. The complete, you don't have to complete all the event quests every single day. You're just going to purchase all of the miners, every single reward there is, season tokens, trophies, everything there is. You're just going to purchase them there and then. You can place them in your room and you've got all the power and you're done. And you don't have to do that every day, but that does come at quite a high cost. And with the premium that I have, then you still have to complete the events every single day, but you will get the rewards that do not have the word free on top of them, like the one I am currently on at the moment. So those are the main differences. The auto recharge system is present in both of the packages, both premium and complete. As you saw, I have my auto recharge system on. Just make sure obviously to get the toggle switch here and put it to on if it is currently off, because if I do this and switch it off, then it's been disabled. Okay, so you've got to be careful, and I'll have to recharge manually if I do that. I don't know why I would do that, because obviously since I have the feature, then I'm going to activate it and leave it on. So those are the main differences, and that is pretty much all I wanted to tell you today. Since I'm on the subject of season 9, like I've mentioned again, 13 days remaining, so get cracking to try and get all of those rewards. And if you're not on Rollercoin at the moment, then I'm going to leave a link down in the description below this video so that you can sign up to the game. It's a really cool game. I've been playing this for around 10 months now, and you will automatically get 1000 Satoshi as soon as you sign up for the game through my link. So I hope that you found this video useful, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, smash the like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.